Hi, this is Yanni from No Informatics, and this video is a quick tutorial to show you how to use our SQL-Kinesis tool, the SQL tool that helps you to run scripts when we cannot be there. First step is to go to our website www.noinfo.co.za. If you do this late at night, you might have some typos. Under the download sections, you will find a SQL-Kinesis link. Just click on that link to open up the relevant page. Scrolling down, after admiring the beautiful career landscape and feeling relaxed, you can read our short, informal but informative article about SQL-Kinesis. To download it, press on the Here in the Download It Here section part of the page. After downloading, it should be in your My Download section. Go to your My Download section and find the application there. To open, double click and press Run. If it is the first time you use SQL-Kinesis, it will ask you for your company name. Please proceed by typing it in. If you are not sure what your company name is on our side, contact us and we will either register you or give you the company name that is registered on our side. When it opens up the first time and hasn't been registered yet, it will ask you which server you want to connect it to. Type in your SQL server name in the first box, or double click on the box and select it from the list. Type in your SA or SQL login name and your password and select any database. It doesn't really matter. When it opens up, it will give you a list of databases on your server. You will select the relevant database that you want to run the script on. It will probably be your Pascal Evolution database. You will then select the SQL function that you want to run on the database. Make sure that you read the information area underneath the function and acquaint yourself with what it will do. After you are sure that you know what it is going to do, press the I agree tick, which will enable the Run Scripts button. If you want to back up the database automatically, which is always a good idea, press the backup database as well. Then press on the Run Scripts button to run the script. It will ask you one final time. Click yes. Wait a little bit. If it's a very intense script, maybe make some coffee. Wait for the procedure to finish. And once it's done, it will create a second pop-up, like the one here. Press OK, and then you are done. We really hope that you found this little tutorial informative, and it would enable you to use this application.